Now let me carefully explain how to install the app InShot on your phone. It's actually quite simple, as you can see here. Just follow these easy steps to get started without any hassle. You can either access the Play Market or the App Store, depending on what type of phone you have. For instance, if you have an Android device, simply go to the Play Market. You just open the Play Market on your phone, search for the app, and download it. As you can see, it's really straightforward and nothing complicated at all. If you're having trouble downloading from the Play Market, don't worry. You can simply open Google and search for the app to download it easily. Simply type "Download InShot" into the search bar, and you can easily download it. It's really not complicated at all, as many users face similar issues. If you're having trouble downloading from the Play Market or App Store, just search "Download InShot" on Google. Thank you for watching. Wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now.